Hey guys, good morning. It is about 8:30 a.m. So I'm actually helping out with a wedding today. It is Sunday, October 10th. I'm helping a hairstylist, being her assistant for the day. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, all right? Let me show you my face. I have it around my neck, so I can't show y'all too much, but I'm headed there now. All right, y'all, so I'm in the Biltmore Hotel. I'm running to the bathroom real quick, but yeah, still at the wedding. It is, what time is it? About 1 o'clock. So yeah, I'm at the Biltmore and the bride and her bridesmaids are coming soon, but me and Miss Trina, who is the master stylist overseeing all of the hair, we got here early so that we could be here before everyone else. So the bride and her mom are gonna get dressed in the bridal suite. And of course, we have to be there to make sure hair looks good and all that stuff. So let me run to the bathroom and get back to it. Just wanted to update you guys. Hey guys, just checking in. So I am going on a date, but there's so much traffic on my house because I live by Six Flags, and so they're having Fright Fest over there, and I had to take an alternate route. So I'm trying to hurry up because I'm already kind of late, and I'll be trying to be on time. But y'all, being beautiful, look, it's hard. I can't. I've been trying to work on my time management, and I'm just like, it's a no. I'm always late, no matter what. No matter, I could get ready start 3 hours early and still be late. Still late. So yeah. So let me focus on driving so I can get to my mans. Bye. Hey guys, so I am on my date. We actually went to dinner and a movie, so yeah, glad I got to wear this dress before it got too cold. Last dress of the summer, or last mini dress, I should say. This bathroom is so nice. Hey guys, so today is Sunday, 10/17, and it is my best friend's birthday. So it is my friend Rebecca's birthday. If you've seen my WBFF vlog of her body bikini model competition vlog, then you will know who I am referencing. But yes, today is her birthday. We are going to brunch, so I'm really excited. I'm starving. I'm ready to eat. I think I'm the first one here, so I'm just waiting on everyone else to arrive. But I stopped and picked her up a balloon, some flowers, and I have a gift for her as well. So yeah, I'm really excited. I just saw a little child get snatched up. She tried to run into the street and her daddy snatched her up real quick. But yeah, so we're eating at the Select, which is, I think it's like French inspired restaurant, and we're eating brunch. So I want me a little mimosa. They got a pricey menu, but they food be good. So, and it's really beautiful in there too. I can't wait to show you guys what the inside looks like. So yeah, I have on jacket, long sleeve dress because it's so cold in Georgia. Literally yesterday and today it's freezing cold. The weather change has definitely come in, so here we are. So yesterday, what did I do yesterday? Yesterday was Saturday. So yesterday I went to brunch with Steph, and we had a great time. The wait time at Go Just be ridiculous. Come on, black-owned business. Y'all got to do better. I'm sorry. Y'all got to do better. Like, why y'all don't take reservations? First of all, the Select has reservations, and that's why I don't. So how come every black-owned spot in Atlanta does not take reservations? Like breakfast at Barney's, like literally everywhere. So anyways, yeah, so we had a good time at brunch. I got my salmon, egg, and cheese croissant. And then, what did Steph get? Steph got the steak and potato skillet. And after that, I went to Cumberland Mall with my dad. And we had an appointment at Apple. So, yeah, that is what I did. So, I'm excited to bring y'all along today. Today's going to be a good day. I'm excited. And, yeah, I hope everyone gets here soon because I'm hungry. I'm making a little vlog.
Yes. I was gonna make a reel today too.
You should, definitely.
I don't even know what that
is. Okay, Miss 25.